I'm going to be practically demonstrating what I do on my face and on my body every morning. It's a beautiful Monday morning, so a lot of you have been asking me to share my morning routine. So luckily today is Monday. Since I won't be going to work today, I'm off duty today, I'm going to be sharing my simple face and body routine with you guys. Okay, so guys, come with me, let's get to it. So I begin by brushing my teeth with this Sensodyne toothpaste. I love this toothpaste very much. So guys, this is it. I use this jam rice milk bar soap. This bar soap is very good. It cleanses the skin very well. It helps battle hyperpigmentation, acne, and also brightens the skin. Okay, so I'll go ahead and actually clean my face with it very well, and I actually repeat this process twice. I'll go again for the second time to ensure that I do my double cleansing. I don't joke with my double cleansing. Okay, so after that, I'll just clean my face pat dry with a very clean soft towel. When I'm done, I'll now go ahead to clean my body. So I use this drip bar soap. I reviewed this soap in the previous video with you guys. Okay, this soap also brightens the skin. It contains salicylic acid. It also exfoliates the skin, and it has carrots, papaya, and niacinamide. It's going to help with hyperpigmentation, appearance of fine line, and also reduce the appearance of wrinkles as well. Gently scrub your body, guys. Focus on all those elbows and knuckles areas. Okay, when you're done, you go ahead and rinse. So I'll quickly take my bath and join you guys. I'm out from the shower already. I just had my bath. I still have a little bit of water on my face, so I'll just go ahead and damp it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and damp this off. So I've not applied anything on my body, and I've not applied anything on my face yet, guys. So we're going to start with my face. So the first thing I apply on my face after cleansing, after coming out of the shower in my morning routine, is a very good moisturizer. When it comes to moisturizer, since I'll be stepping out, what I love to apply on my face is this aloe vera gel. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and get a generous amount in my palm, then I apply on my face. After coming out of the shower, all the oils and moisture on your face has been taken out by the bar soap, so you have to apply a very good moisturizer that will help to replace all those oils that was swept out from your face by the bar soap. So I'm going to apply this, and then I'll allow it to sit for some minutes just for it to dry up, then I'll come back. So guys, as you guys can see, my face is dried now. The aloe vera gel has gone into my skin and it has dried. So normally the moisturizer I normally use is this Johnson's baby lotion, but I don't have it at the moment. But then anytime I don't have it, I still go in with this Nivea Perfect and Radiant body lotion. It still does the job for me. Okay, so I'll go ahead and apply my Nivea moisturizer on my face too, just to add extra layer of moisture to my face. The truth is, guys, in my morning routine I don't apply any lightening products, because I know a lot of you will still be like, you can still apply and rub sunscreen. I don't trust sunscreen, guys. I don't trust sunscreens. It's not all sunscreens are good, and sometimes you might not be lucky, you might not get the right one. So to be on the safer side, guys, I keep my morning routine very simple. I don't do too much. I just focus on moisturizing my skin and keeping it hydrated all day, so that even if I happen to go into the sun, I'll still be protected without bothering that anything will bother me. Anything you're rubbing on your face, please make sure you rub on your neck and your chest as well. So let me apply. I forgot to apply the aloe vera gel on my neck earlier, so I'll go ahead and apply it. Okay, one thing I want you guys to know is the skin on our neck age faster than the skin on your face. So if you even feel it, you notice that the skin on the neck is more lighter, it's lightweight and very soft compared to the one on the face. So that's why it ages faster than our face. You can even observe the elderly people around you. If you check their neck, you notice that the neck begin to fold and form wrinkles faster. So I'll go ahead and apply my body lotion. Sorry guys, I'm out on this one, and though I've bought another one, but let me just show you guys, even though I'm not going to use it. I normally alternate between this and this. Okay, anyone that I lay my hand on. So this one is finished, so this is the one that will continue with now from now on. So I'll go ahead and apply this on my neck as well. Okay, make sure you apply on the back of your neck, because I notice a lot of people, the back of their neck is normally very dark because you don't apply your product. And don't forget your ears too, please apply on your ears as well. So as you can see, okay, you can see the blues already. I've not even applied my oil. So the last thing I do on my face is to apply my oil. And for the oil, I normally use this Cousin's Baby oil. This oil has almond in it, and we all know what almond does. Almond has this brightening effect in it, so you don't need too much. It's just to help lock in moisture. Okay, it's just to lock in moisture. You just need just a drop on your palm. Oh sorry, that was way too much, but it's okay. You just need just a drop, and then just apply, just to lock in moisture. Glows, that instant glows. Okay, give you that instant glow. So can you guys see? Okay, all the corners of your face, make sure you apply. And of course, don't forget your neck region and your chest region. So can you guys see? So guys, for my body, what I do is I'll still apply my body lotion on my body. Go ahead and apply. Please focus on your knuckles areas, your elbow. Don't drift with your elbow. Focus on your elbow, your back. So for my body oil, I love to use this Pierce, because this one, I kind of have a dry skin on my body, especially my hands and my legs. I have a dry skin, so this is lightweight. I prefer to use this on my face, and when it comes to my body, I use this because it's a little bit thicker than the other one. So this is what I use. This one is going to keep me hydrated all day on my body. So I'll go ahead and apply this. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? Did you see the glows? Did you see the shine? It gives you that instant glow and instant shine. So last but not the least, guys, I apply my wet lips. And that's it, guys.
this absolute lip gloss. That's what I apply on my lips, and it keeps my lips hydrated all day. So guys, that's it. That's how my morning routine is. Very simple, very easy. When I wake up in the morning, I'm trying to rush and go to work. I just keep it simple like that, and then it saves time, and it also protects me from the harshness of the sun. So I don't apply any lightening or brightening whatever on my body or my face during the day in my morning routine, since I'll be going out. But any day that I'll be staying at home, I'm not stepping out, then I can do anything that I want to do. But this is it, guys. This is my morning routine. This is how I do it. This is how I keep it simple. So guys, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And if you're still here to subscribe, please guys, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Please guys, subscribe. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to like my videos as well. So on my next video, I'm going to be sharing my night routine with you guys. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure your notification is turned on so that you will be notified when I post that video. Bye.